The video you just watched was created with Kling Motion Control almost for free. But on my first attempt, an error stopped the generation. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly what caused it and the 1-second fix nobody talks about. And now I'm going to show you exactly how to generate this kind of video. First, we'll use the website shown on screen, and you'll see an interface like this. Click Sign Up. After clicking Sign Up, we'll create our account. But before that, one important note. You can't use temp mail here, because accounts won't register with it. I'll show you a workaround for that too, so you can create unlimited accounts. For now though, I'll click Continue with Google, select one of my emails, and continue. After that, we'll enter a username, tick the checkbox, and continue, and our account will be logged in. You can see here my account is now logged in. I'll close this. Now let's move on to generating the video. You'll see a Launch App option, click it. It'll start loading, and once it hits 100%, a new page will open. I'll walk you through the next steps once it's done loading. So the interface has now opened. We'll skip past this intro screen, and it'll take us to the site. Now, how do we generate the video? On this site, you'll find a lot of options. Click Published Workflows, then use the search bar to search Motion Control. Hit Enter, and below you'll see the first result, Kling 2.6 Motion Control. Click on it, and it'll open that workflow. Before generating, there are a few things to note. Click the arrow here, you'll see I got 15 free minutes and 75 cents free credit. The video we generate will draw from these two balances. You can generate a maximum of 9 seconds per video, anything longer will cost extra and won't generate. So keep your clip at 9 seconds or under. Okay, so now this is the part where we actually feed the tool what it needs to work with. We're going to upload our image and our video. So for the image, you're going to look for the option that says Load Image. You'll see it right there. Now, next to it, on the side, there's a little folder icon. That's what you click to actually browse your files. Go ahead and click that. Once you click it, just find your image, select it, and upload it. It's going to take a second to load. You'll see it spinning, doing its thing, and there we go. Image is up. Now we do the exact same process for the video. Click again. This time we're grabbing the video file. Give it a moment, it's uploading, and there it is, video's in too. So at this point, both files are sitting there, loaded and ready. Nothing complicated about this step, it's really just point, click, wait a few seconds, done. Alright, now before we hit generate, there's a little panel on the side with 3 settings you need to pay attention to. Don't skip past this part, because this actually matters later, trust me. First one is frame rate. It's going to default to 24, and honestly, just leave it there. Don't touch it, don't mess with it, 24 is what we want. Second thing you'll see is a toggle between image and video. Make sure that's set to video, since that's what we're working with here. And the third one is your audio toggle. This one's really just personal preference. If you want to keep the original sound from your video, leave that toggle on. But if you'd rather have it silent, no audio at all, just switch it off. For this one, I'm going to leave the sound on, just so you can hear how it turns out. Now let's start the generation. Click the Run Workflow button at the bottom, and the workflow will start processing the image and video to create the result. Alright, it's generating now. As you can see, the timer has started, and the progress bar is moving, so everything is running normally. Let's give it a moment to finish, and then we'll take a look at the final result. Alright, the video has now finished generating. But you might notice something a little strange here. There's no visible video preview. Even if I shrink the window or try changing the size, the video doesn't actually show up. And this can be a little confusing, especially if you're using the tool for the first time. But don't worry, the video has actually been generated. If you look closely at the timer, has stopped, and once the timer stops, that means your video has generated. The completion message only appears after generation finishes too. If you hover your mouse over this area, you'll actually hear the video's audio, hear that? That's the sound playing. You can do this on mobile as well, just switch to desktop mode from the 3-dot browser menu. So how do we actually download it, since there's no visible preview? Let's download it and check the result. There's a download link on the side. Copy it, open a new tab, and paste it there. Once pasted, the downloaded video will show up. You can see my video is ready 6 seconds long. I'll click the 3-dot menu and hit download, and it's downloading now.
Pushing on my buttons when I hesitate.
Now let's move on to how to create unlimited accounts on this platform. Once we open the link, you'll see an interface like this, and this is where we'll create a new email address. First, click Create. By default, the option will be set to Google, but that's not what we want here, so we'll switch it to Microsoft. After selecting Microsoft, make sure the domain at the top is set to outlook.com. This part is important, so double-check that it's selected before continuing. Then click Generate, and give it a moment to create the email address. And there we go, we now have a fresh outlook.com email address. We'll copy it from here, then head back to the platform and use this email to create the new account. Now let's log out of the current account and create the new one. First, I'll go back twice using the browser's back button, which takes me back to the same page we were on earlier, and from here I'll log out. Once I'm logged out, I'll refresh the page and click Sign Up. I'll paste the same email address we generated earlier, set a password, and click Sign Up. After that, I'll click No Thanks, and the platform will send a verification email to the address we just used. I'll open the email, click the verification link, select Verify Email, and continue with the setup. Next, I'll choose a username, click I agree, and continue. Then I'll close this window, click Sign Up again, and select Sign In. I'll enter the same email and the password I just created, click Sign In, and choose No Thanks again. And there we go. The new account is now set up. If we compare the two email addresses, you can see that they match. And as you can see here, the new account comes with another 15 free minutes and 75 cents in credit. And that's it. You've seen the full process, from generating the video to creating additional accounts. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new here. I'm constantly sharing real AI tools, workflows, and practical tutorials without wasting your time. And if you run into any issues, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.